Another Trade Ideas stock market scanning technology video coming at you here, featuring our picture-in-picture charts here we see on that daily chart and our stock races here. Just a couple of minutes into the post-market here, but we want to highlight more on the stock race they've created. It's a relative strength from the open. And during live market session, the left side of the race is going to be a lot of live data coming in, stocks that are moving relatively strong to the open. Again, as I always say, very customizable, easy scan to look at here. On the right side is a list of stocks that have won and how many times they have quote unquote won races. And we just had a great list today going on here. Just run these down really fast, but GNS, very nice move here today. A few opportunities to get in and out of that. LDWY, same thing here, just a nice move throughout the day here. And this is a day where if we bring over SPY chart really fast, there's an intraday of the SPY right here on 15 minutes. Chopped all around all day long. We're finding some cleaner alpha trades that are in here. HUYA is another great example of this right here. Just a beautiful move. Of course, does it reverse? Yes, they don't go on forever, right? And last but not least, let's take a look at OPRA here. Very, very nice move throughout the day. So, these are the kind of things we can point you to, the idea generation that we offer. Again, trade-ideas.com. You want to learn more, you want to see more on this, come and check us out. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you on the next one.